Hang on there. That was a good one, Ray.
That's what happens when you don't know where you're going.
Then we're going to... hang on. He might... oh, fucking hell, look at that. Oh, no. Yeah. Fucking sorted.
Nice balance.
Oh, fucking... ready?
Yeah, 1, 2. Yeah.
There he is.
Hold him there, babe.
There you go. So you get these burns, you can sort of lean into them a bit, can't you?
Yeah. You know where you're going.
Yeah, but if you look at your weight the wrong side, you're fucking gone.
I think that's what happened.
Yeah. It is. Could we get going from there?
I don't know.
Give you a push. Whoop. Good shit, Jasper. Ooh-wee. Going backwards. Oh. I think you better. This is easier.
It couldn't hear you in there, mind.
I know, that's what the engines were off.
We went a different way, but we didn't know where we were going. I put her in this corner, right? And the bike went that way, and my body went that way.
Oh, Ray.
My gear stick's fucked now. Something happening with that?
Oh, it's been pushed in.
I don't know.
Well.
Something's come off, whether it's on there or on the back of there. Something's fucking loose in it. Watch out, bike getting safe, y'all. I'm going to park it over there.
Oh dear.
It might have been.
Here it comes.
Oh, here's a point there.
Ooh.
Sorry, lad.
Ooh.
Watch
I
yourself.
think you're fucked, Paul.
Oh, never. Well, I seen him fucking rolling by.
Rolling. Trying to work out the fucking easiest fucking.
S3 gear lever, 180 quid. And that was in soft earth, wasn't it? I don't know what the frig happened there.
It's just too much for him.
You'll be buying another one of them bastards. I'll put that on the video as well. That's it. I'm going up the fucking cafe. Help me, boys. Call the fucking ambulance. I've had it.
You nearly went round and complete circle, then.
I know. If I can get him past you, yeah, I'm fucking getting stuck behind you. I can lift it up actually.
I think somebody's taking my fucking bit of stick out of there. Still slipping with fucking.
I tell you what it was the wrong gear it was, look. I'm going back down here, fuck it. That was my attempt.
You haven't even attempted.
I know.
Even you didn't do it. That's
No. What are you fucking doing? I don't know. Where's he gone?
Trying to get some sand and cement.
Where the fuck's he gone? Oh, he's gone up the top. Alrighty. It's a difference, mine, you know, where it's dry.
Got to do it once in your life, haven't you?
One thing is, you've got a bit of confidence now to do it the next time. Yeah?
I think, you know, all that stuff that's on there, I think that makes a difference. Definitely helps. Because it pushes into the slippery shit, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I don't see anything wrong with it in a little bit of cheating. It's not really cheating, is it? It's a bit of help. But the thing is, the next time, I know what sort of revs to give it, and it's not that much.
It's not.
We've both gone up there now, slower revs than we've ever.
Yeah.
I've always hit this as hard as I fucking can to try and get the momentum, but it's the wrong way.
It's the revs is low, innit?
Yeah.
And momentum is.
And it's the throttle just on that. You think you've got to give it a bit of throttle to go up the slippery bit on the left side here, and you just spin, spiel.
That's when you spin. You can't give it throttle on the slope. You've got to if you're going to blip it, it's got to be at the bottom here where there's a bit of traction, and jump on the suspension as you do it.
Just,
Stop the wheel spinning like.
So yeah, No, next time.
Hey, you'll be fatter if you come back off holiday, mate.
Well,
You
yeah.
carry more weight, though.
Just riding up the bank next time I go up there.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
Well, that was the worst fucking attempt I've ever had at it.
Well, you went round in a fucking circle.
I know.
Which has changed. Us two got up and he didn't today. That's the first.
And I ain't trying it now, fucking I can't be bothered.
But somebody's been here, I think they've been here today. Somebody's been around here and round that bit and all through our bits. Somebody's
Anyway,
been up
what a
there.
lovely day we've had.
Yeah,
Grand.
tidy.
Bloody grand. Soil pipe there, that's the one who didn't whack that in there.
Imagine that rolling down there
Yeah.
hitting you on the head.